Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Nvidia graphics card not detected in Windows. This error means Windows isn't recognizing your Nvidia graphics card, and it could be a driver issue, disabled GPU, or even hardware problem. So we can go do some steps to check if any of you will help you. Let's start an example by a physical test. Make sure to check your cable and monitor. Make sure your monitor is connected to the Nvidia GPU ports, not the motherboard ports. If it's plugged into the wrong one, the system won't detect your GPU. So this is the physical test. Let's just get into updates and reinstalling drivers. Make sure to go and open any browser and go, for example, to nvidia.com. You can even use the GeForce experience if you have it downloaded to download these drivers. If you don't have them, make sure to go to nvidia.com and just install any old driver first that you have, DDU drivers, which is display driver and installer if needed. And then you'll have to go here, for example, choose your region. For example, whatever region is close to you. If you didn't find your region, example, I'm just going to choose this. And from here, example, you'll have to look for your drivers. You can even type like right away Nvidia RTX, like for me it's 30, like 50 Ti drivers, and they'll take you exactly to that page, as you can see, where you will be able to download this. So make sure to disinstall or uninstall them first. Other than that, make sure to enable the GPU and device manager. You can press on Windows X and then make sure to look for device manager. You can even type device manager if you didn't find it. Once you open it, we would like basically to expand the display adapters. Here, you should find as example your GPU. If you see it, all you need to do, just go and right click on it and click on enable if it's disabled. For me, I find disabled because it's not disabled, it's enabled. If you didn't see it, that's another problem. You can even try to check the BIOS settings. You can restart your PC and enter the BIOS using F2 or delete key, and make sure your PCIe or discrete GPU is selected instead of integrated graphics. And if all of this didn't work, an example, let's just go and type system configuration. Once you do so, you should find yourself right here. So from here, all you need to do, just go and click on Roll Startup, then click on OK. And then they'll ask you to restart. Make sure to restart it. Once you're back, again, go back to Device Manager. And once you're in here, you'll have to click on your name and click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. This is an example. If like your GPU wasn't detected first, it might be detected right now. If you find it, you can simply right click on it and click on Update Driver. And if you still didn't find it anyway, make sure to do the previous step, which is downloading the drivers, whether you have Nvidia or AMD. You can even try to update your Windows if none of these works. Install any pending updates. Sometimes it fixes the GPU detection. And if none of these options work, as a last resort, you may want to reset the GPU inside your PC or test it on another system to check if the problem is in your GPU. So that should be it for me in this problem or in this issue or in this video. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.